things sound good, don't it? Yeah, I think Dodge Ram, they got some of the best V8 songs out there, man. The 5.7, the 6.4, the 6.2. I mean, in 5.7, all you got to do is a muffler delete, and you can get it to sound like a 6.4. You know what I'm saying? Pretty close. A 6.4, you do the same thing. You can get it to sound like a 6.2. You know, minus the horsepower, of course. You know, well, I gotta say, I mean, the best song is out there, and people love them. But I got a muffler delete on my truck, and I'm gonna replace that muffler delete with this bad boy right here that I picked up. That's a Carven Progressive Muffler, man. Some people say it's pretty loud. Some say it sounds like a muffler delete. Now I got a muffler delete, so I'm gonna show you why I'm replacing this with my muffler delete. So let's get this thing in the garage and get a DIY going, man.
If me no reach this year, next year nah pass.
Alright, so we got the truck in the garage, and while we're at it, I'm gonna change my oil. Put my Mobile One here, 520, full synthetic. Let me show you guys why I'm replacing my mid muffler delete. So whoever did this job didn't do a good job right here. As you can see, it pretty much came apart, and they welded it in. So I had to go find on the Facebook Market two tips that I could use, since they welded these ones into this Y. I mean, they were just cutting and welding. So I really don't know how this came apart, but that's what we're gonna fix today. These are the tips that I bought off of Facebook Market, and these are what I'm gonna replace my originals with, since we're welded in and I can't use them. While the oil's draining, we're going to use this 15mm socket wrench here to loosen these bolts up here. That's one off. One down. We will move to the back here. As you can tell, if you can see, one of the whoops, see, already came down. So I'll try to loose off this one right here. Let's get it off this little deal. Then we might have to pull it my way towards the front of the vehicle, since it's all welded in. Either that, or I might have to end up cutting it off. So let's see if I could get these little rubber pieces off here and get it out the way and get that Carven installed. There we go. That settles down. Alright, as you can see, I got it all loose down. Both pipes are on the ground. So what I'm gonna try to do is I'm gonna try to pull it towards the front of the vehicle, see if I can get it through. If not, I might have to cut these pipes. Hopefully the jigsaw I got could cut through these pipes, and then I could get it off. So I'm gonna try to get this through, and then we'll start putting on a new exhaust. go. Now he's off. That's a lot of metal chunks. See, I got those tail pipes off with the muffler delete. That why I had to jigsaw it off. I didn't think I had the right blade, but I did get it off, so that's pretty cool. So now I'm done, finished with my oil. I'm gonna go back underneath there and I'm gonna start putting on that Carven exhaust, and we go get a startup just to see what it sounds like. I can't wait, man. Now since we're done installing, man, we're gonna tighten up all these nuts up here, make sure they're real tight, and then I'm gonna go straighten that tail tip, you know what I'm saying, get it nice and even in the middle. Bad boy sounds like. Oh snap! Where'd the little birdie come from? Little birdie. Little birdie. Where'd the little birdie come from? The install's finished. I'm taking it out for a test drive now, seeing the difference between the mid muffler delete and the Carven muffler. Birdie came through to check out the Carven install. I guess little birdie approved. I did put him back in the tree. But I hope you guys enjoy this video, man. I'll have clips of the before and after, you know, with the two different setup. But like I said, man, I hope you guys enjoy this video. I'm not gonna lie, it doesn't sound as loud as my mid muffler delete. I know people been saying it's louder. To me, it's not louder. My mid muffler delete is louder than this progressive muffler here. So my neighbors, I guess they won't love me as much because it's not as loud anymore. But I enjoy it, man. It's not sound deadening here. It doesn't have a drone in here, so that's pretty cool. As you can see, well, as you can hear, it's not that loud. Yeah, my big muffler is way louder, but I like it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video though, man. If you did, make sure you like, share, subscribe, give us a thumbs up, and I'll see you on the next one, man. So y'all stay safe, stay blessed, Megan.